Imagine a world where your dreams aren't hindered by financial worries, where you can pursue your passions without the constraints of a 9-to-5 job. That's the dream we're chasing today, unlocking the power of passive income through strategic insights inspired by the financial guru himself, Robert Kiyosaki. 1. Futuristic Finances with peer-to-peer lending. Imagine a financial landscape where you play a pivotal role in transforming lives. Peer-to-peer, P2P. Lending allows you to make money while becoming a financial lifeline for those excluded from traditional bank loans. Platforms such as Lending Club act as a bridge, connecting individuals who need loans with people like you who are willing to lend. Dive into this cutting-edge method of earning extra cash, where you're not just a lender, but a catalyst for positive change. Explore the cool intricacies of P2P lending, from reduced fees to the ability to diversify your investments. Uncover the potential returns and experience the gratification of being part of a financial solution that genuinely helps those in need. 2. Real estate renaissance. Embark on a captivating journey into the dynamic world of real estate, where the ordinary evolves into an extraordinary avenue for wealth creation. Immerse yourself in the multifaceted opportunities. Step into the role of a landlord. Explore the innovative realm of real estate investment trusts, REITs, and master the art of leveraging other people's resources to forge your financial legacy. Guided by the infectious passion of Robert Kiyosaki for real estate, we'll unravel the intricacies of this transformative investment strategy. Understand why tangible assets such as houses and buildings are not just properties, they are the bedrock of a robust and enduring passive income empire. Learn how real estate, with its potential for steady appreciation and income generation, can be the cornerstone of your financial prosperity. Get ready to witness the mundane metamorphose into a marvel of financial opportunity. 3. Intellectual property alchemy. Dive into the captivating world of intellectual property, IP, where creativity transforms into a perpetual income stream. Forget legal jargon. Think of patents, trademarks, copyrights, and trade secrets as your golden keys to effortless earnings. Whether you're the visionary behind a groundbreaking idea or an investor in others' brilliance, we're here to demystify the enchanting realm of intellectual property. Imagine patenting that revolutionary game you've developed, then sitting back as companies worldwide pay you to use it. It's not just a safeguard for your ideas, it's a ticket to a steady income. Even if you're not an inventor or an author, you can become a silent supporter of innovation. Invest in other people's creative ventures, a book, a movie, a groundbreaking invention, and watch the dividends roll in. In essence, intellectual property is your backstage pass to a world where ideas are not just protected, but transformed into a continuous source of income. So, whether you're the master orchestrating the creation or the silent benefactor supporting genius, the magical alchemy of intellectual property awaits, promising a perpetual payday. Join us as we unravel the secrets and possibilities that lie within this dynamic realm. 4. Dividend stocks, harmonizing wealth in the stock market. Envision a scenario where your investments are akin to cherished thank you gifts arriving regularly from your favorite companies. Dive into the world of dividend stocks, not just as shares, but as conductors orchestrating a financial symphony. Here, it's crucial to understand that in the realm of stocks, the greatest risk isn't the market's unpredictability, it's the decisions you make. Delve into the art of discerning robust companies poised to share their profits with shareholders through dividends. These dividends aren't fleeting. They're akin to the sweet melodies of a passive income stream. The magic lies in choosing companies wisely, ones with a history of financial stability and prudent management. Your investment portfolio becomes a harmonious ensemble, playing the tunes of financial independence and sustained wealth. In this financial symphony, you hold the baton, directing your investments towards a crescendo of prosperity. Educate yourself, make informed choices, and let the dividends flow like a melodic arrangement that continues to reward you without the need to sell your shares. This is not just about stocks. It's about crafting a symphony of passive income that resonates with the rhythm of your financial goals. 5. Business bliss, unleash your entrepreneurial spirit. Embark on a transformative journey toward financial freedom by creating a business that not only survives, but thrives autonomously. Imagine a venture that doesn't demand your constant presence, allowing you to break free from the chains of a traditional desk job. This isn't just about entrepreneurship. It's about sculpting a business that works for you. If the idea of starting a business from scratch feels overwhelming, fear not. Dive into the world of passive investing in other people's businesses, an art form that lets you reap the rewards without being intricately involved. Discover the hidden strategies employed by successful business moguls, taking a leaf from the Book of Icons like Robert Kiyosaki. Learn the alchemy of making money from ventures without being hands-on 24/7, and find your own path to business bliss. Whether you're a hands-on entrepreneur or a strategic investor, the realm of passive business income awaits where financial success aligns with personal freedom. Subscribe, turn on notifications, and let's explore the avenues of business bliss together. 6. Annuities, a retirement renaissance. As you bid farewell to the hustle of your active working years, envision a retirement bathed in financial tranquility through the strategic embrace of annuities. An annuity is essentially a symbiotic pact between you and an insurance company, pledging consistent payments, a reliable retirement paycheck, if you will. Delving into the intricacies of annuities, we uncover a myriad of benefits and nuances that make them a cornerstone for constructing a secure and sustainable passive income during your golden years. Annuities, in their various forms, provide a structured financial stream, akin to a reliable pension plan. However, it's imperative to navigate the potential pitfalls, such as the absence of inflation adjustments, which might necessitate careful consideration. This segment serves as your comprehensive guide, offering a roadmap to understanding the mechanics of annuities. We illuminate the different types immediate and deferred an annuity can assume, outlining their distinct advantages and potential risks. In your quest for a serene retirement, annuities emerge as a viable option, promising financial stability in an era where economic uncertainties abound. Allow us to demystify the world of annuities, empowering you with the knowledge to make informed decisions about securing your financial future. Subscribe, turn on notifications, and embark on this journey towards a retirement renaissance with the powerful tool of annuities at your disposal. Let 2024 be the year you navigate the complexities of annuities with confidence, ensuring a prosperous and worry-free retirement. In conclusion, achieving passive income is more than a financial strategy, it's a transformative mindset. To generate passive income in 2024, Robert Kiyosaki extends an invitation to adopt unconventional yet proven methods that have the potential to redefine your financial trajectory. Seize control, arm yourself with knowledge, and make 2024 the year you open the doors to a more prosperous and liberated future. Your subscription and activated notifications will be your compass on this transformative journey. Let's unite in this financial revolution, forging a path towards enduring wealth and financial freedom.